Hello guys, today I want to show you guys my unboxing and hands-on of my Xundd Shockproof minimal clear case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I bought it from Lazada Thailand for only around $5. If you guys don't know yet, Xundd is a well-known Chinese brand. It's a budget brand that make a quality high quality case for smartphone in China, similar to Ringke brand. I think those are for Korean region. I can say that I personally use one for my Mate 20X. I use it for almost 3 years, and I can say that its usability and the endurance is top notch for its price. Okay, let's unbox it and we will see how it looks on my iPhone. Okay. There. That looks clear to me. Okay. Here I think it's one of the great looking minimal clear case. Okay, you can see you can still see the real color of the phone, which is very nice, which is very blue. Okay, and it's feel good in the hand because it's a kind of a minimal case. I think as you can see there is slightly a raised edge. Okay, there is they protect the front screen. I think it looks a little bit less because I have a tempered glass screen protector over here. Okay, and at the back, yes, there is a round bumper around the camera bump. Okay, as you can see, it's not too high. Okay, and I think it has a SGS-approved built-in airbag cushion technology on both four corners of the case that protect from falls and collision. And I think it's not to fingerprint of a magnet. I'll see how it's all holds on for the next few months. Okay, so guys, please like and subscribe if you like the video, and yeah, secure.